Hello everyone, my name is Sukanta Nundi and I have created this XMEME application as a part of the Crio Externship program. So this is my publicly deployed XMEME front-end application, and this is my publicly deployed backend REST framework for this XMEME application. So I have created two separate projects, front end and back end, and deployed it separately. And I have used Python Django REST framework for backend, in backend, and also in front end also I have used Django framework only, because I did not have knowledge of any other framework. So I have used Django and Bootstrap for front end. So this is the basic front end application here, you can see. So let's see the basic functionalities of the front end applications. So here there we can enter the name of the meme poster. Let's suppose my name, and this is my first. So for any to get a meme URL, you can go to Google and search for any meme URL, and you can copy the image address of any meme, and then if we paste it here. So if we click on the post meme, it will actually post it here, and it will show this message that your meme has been posted successfully. So here you can see that I have just posted that meme. It shows it here, and it actually shows in latest post will show first, and then others. So that was the basic required functionality which I have also implemented here. And also, if we enter some invalid URL, it actually checks that uh, does a URL validation. So if I enter something.com, then it will check this is if this is a valid image URL or not. So if I click on the post meme, then it will show please enter valid details. So this is the invalid entry, right? So this is some basic functionalities here. And so if I see that if I check any of my post here, I have added an edit option to edit the posts. So if I click on the edit, it will take me to the edit page of that meme. So here as per the requirement, we cannot change the name of the meme poster, and but we can change the caption or URL of that uh, post. So this is my first post in XMeme. I am updating this caption, right? So if I click on the post meme, so it will show this message, successfully updated your post, and it will update your caption here also, right? Now one thing I want to show you also, that which I have added, is that to delete a post. Here I have added a option to delete a post. So if you click on this delete, I have not added any confirmation check. If you click on that delete post, it will actually go and delete your post successfully, right? So if you scroll down, it will not see that earlier meme, right? So let me show you that backend also. If you click on this Django REST backend URL, so if you check this, and if you click on the get, it will show you the all the uh, meme memes details in reverse order here, right? So you can actually post any memes from here also in backend. So this is for testing purpose. You can post it here, and you can do a put patch or anything, right? So here if we see that if you go to a particular id of a meme, and we can actually edit that meme here also, right? And if we click on a invalid, invalid entry of a meme, suppose 53 id, that id does not exist, so it will return a 404 not found error. Okay, so that's how the basic functionalities that works here. And if I show you that network tab, it will not show that backend API URL, because it actually passes the request to the front end application first, and then that front end application handles the connection with that backend REST framework. So it will not show any so it will not actually show that it is from developer tabs. Will not be able to show you that it is talking to the backend. But if I say, if I post any new meme, suppose let's Ankit, I'm adding a name Ankit, this is Ankit. So if I post this new meme here, so this will actually post the meme here, and you can go to the that backend and see if this is updated or not, because I have just added Ankit, right? So if you go to that backend application, you will see that this is the Ankit with ID 7, and this is Ankit, the caption, everything you can see here. So this is actually talking to the backend, right? So that's the basic functionalities I wanted to show here. And also I have I have seen you that extra functionalities that I have added, that is the error message, edit option, delete option, all those which I have added, right? And now if I want to show you the so of I have actually added the a Swagger UI, but it I am not able to run it on port 8080, because it is bundled with my front end framework actually. And uh, so if I run my front end application, it actually runs in one port only. There might be some option, but as I wanted to, deadline was approaching, so I have somehow just added it and uploaded it, so it will not work in testing, but I have added it. Now let's walk you through the code base of this application. Now this is the backend uh, code part. So here I have used Django. So here this is so first uh, we we have to check that URLs, how this works here. I have main part here is to show you the views of that. Here it actually shows the different classes and methods I have used for verification, and handling the get request, post requests. So this is the class meme API class. So this get method actually handles the get request of any get request, and it takes the meme ID and checks if we are asking for any specific meme, or we want to show all the memes, or we want to fetch all the memes. So here this is the post method. So this is actually takes all the form inputs and gets all the details from the post request, and then it creates a new meme object, and it passes it here, right? uh, Now it returns the JSON response after creating with the ID. This is the put method to update anything, and also here I have added a patch method to update the caption URL you have seen earlier, right? So I have also added a delete option. You have seen that delete method working from front end, so this method actually handles the delete option. And there are a lot of things here to show, but these are the main few methods which I can show it from here only. And let's show you the front end application. For front end, if I show you that XMEME app, show you the views actually. So this is the home view, which actually this actually handles the get method. Whenever we uh, reload our page or open our XMEME application initially, so it invokes the get method, and it actually passes that request dot get to the backend URL, and it fetches all the data from the backend, and then it it gets the JSON data, and then it renders the data using this home template. I have added a HTML bootstrap template, and it passes the data to that template, and it renders the all the data there, right? And this is the image URL validation method. So if a URL is invalid, it will validate if validate and return true or false. And this is the post method. Whenever we submit a post request, or we are posting a meme, so this the request comes to this method, and then it passes the post request to the here it passes the post. After validation, it passes the post request to the backend URL, and then there it gets created, and after that we get the response code 201 that this is successfully created. And these are different error handling methods I have added, you can see. So this handles the delete post. Whenever there is a delete request comes in, so it takes the it handles the delete method, and request that request dot delete to the backend URL. And this is for edit view, is for the editing purpose. Actually, whenever we want to edit our post, we can do so it will first after editing, it will uh, you know when you click on the edit button, it will pass this request to this method, and then it will ask for the specific uh, uh, meme that we are searching for, and it will get it from the backend, and then it will show that to that specific details to that edit page. And this is the post method. This method actually this post method is for edit. So whenever we are editing, so the request comes in this method, uh, and then I am passing the patch from that. I'm not actually passing the post, but that's how it handles it. Whenever we submit, it will come as a post, so we have to add it post. And then we are adding the patch method whenever we are actually communicating to the backend. So this is the basic walkthrough of the code base.